to my magical world of math. Today we are going to learn a beautiful tricks to write the basic multiplication tables from 2 to 9. Let us start. First we are going to write the tables for 2. Let us see what is the beautiful tricks to write the tables. That is so beautiful. See. First what we have to do, write the even number in the box. Write the even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, not 10, 0. And also write the same here, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Okay. Now for the first row, write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and here write plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. For the second row, see what we should do, right? We should write 1 here. Okay, so add 1, 1, 1, 1. But here we have written plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Multiplication tables of 2 is ready now. See here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let us write that in the answers here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So this is the beautiful way tricks we can use for writing the tables. Now let us write for 5. How to write for the tables 5? This is also very beautiful trick. See here, start with 5. Okay, write 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Okay, write 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. And now, starting from the first row, you have to write here 0, 2 times 1. 1 here, 1 here, 2 times. 2 times 2. 2 here, 2 here. Next, 2 times 3. 3 here, 3 here. 2 times 4. 4 here, 4 here. And lastly, 5. So, how we have done? First we wrote 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Then, from the first row, what we have done? 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, and once 5. Now tables 5 is ready. Then we can write here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Let us write here. So we have here 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. You can see there, same numbers we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, so this is how we can write for 5. And one more tables we have here is 8. So how to write the tables 8 by using the trick letters? 8 we have to write like this. Here we have done 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Here we have to write the even number ulta, opposite. Right here 8, then 6, then 4, 2, and 0. Okay. Here, again write 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Now what to write? Write here 0, 1, 2, then write 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 you wrote for the tens place. Repeat the 4 here. Again you write 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over. 8 tables is ready. How did we do? First you write the even number in the descending order. 86420, 86420. In the ones place, what did you do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, starting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 4. Repeat. Oh, 2 times you have repeated. Here you wrote, here also you wrote. Okay? How many times? Just 2 times. Then write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, tables 8 is also ready. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. 8. Okay? That will write it. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 54, 64, 56, 56, 64, 72, 80. Okay, we wrote the tables of 8 now. See, 2, 5, and 8. All are having the same type of pattern. Small difference here. So these 3 is over. The rest of the tables up to 9, let us see in the next. See the tricks for multiplication tables 3. See this, so beautiful this is. What to do? Write the numbers from down. 1, 2, 3. Start from the bottom. 4, 5, 6. Start from the bottom. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 you have written from the bottom. Now starting from the first, write here zeros. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Okay. And for the next, you write 1, 1, 1, 1 for all the books. Last box, write 2, 2, 2 and 3 outside and add 0. Okay. Now multiplication tables of 3 is ready. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Let us write here 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and also 30. So 3 tables is ready in this way. Now let us see the tables of 4. These 4 tables boxes are little different. See it is. It is just like arranging the bricks, isn't it? See 2 box, 3 box here. 2 box, 3 box here. See, we have to make 4 boxes like this. First one is having 2 boxes. Second is having 3 boxes. Next is having 2 parts. Other one is having 3 parts. 2, 3, 2, 3. Parts are like that, just like arranging the bricks. Now let us see how to write the numbers. Okay. Here also we are going to use the trick to write the numbers, even numbers. So write 2, 4. See the way how to write. 2 here, 4 here, 6 here, 8 here, and 0 here. Zigzag path. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And here also, see just like M. Here also, write here 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Now what to do? For where you have 2, 2, write some numbers and finish it. 0 here, 0 here. Here also we have only 2 boxes. Write 2 here, 2 here. Okay? Now write 1, 1, 2 here, which is having 3 boxes. 1, 1, 2. And here 3, 3, 4. 3, 3, 4. What you have written? 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 for the 3 boxes. Now the tables of 4 is ready. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Let us write it. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. So this is the tables for 4. Still, now let us see the tricks for the multiplication tables 7. So for that also just how we have written 3 by 3 grid for tables 3, same way we have written. The method of writing the numbers are little different. Again, we are going to write the numbers like this. Starting from here, see, for 3 we have started from the bottom, from the leftmost. For 7, we are starting from the rightmost, from the top. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 to 9 we have written. Now what to do? Starting from the first box, what we have to do? Write 0, 1, 2. Repeat 2 in the next. 2, 3, 4. Repeat 4 in the next. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0 you add here. This is the tip for table 7. So easily you can write the tables like this. See 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So 7 tables 7. Let us write the answer over there. Tables are ready here. By seeing this, we can write here. 7 in the 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. Isn't it? See, like this, we can write the multiplication tables for basic numbers like 2 to 9. But 9 I have not written. To write the tables 9, there is a beautiful way. Not only for 9, 999, 999, 9999. Also we can write by using a beautiful trick that I'll show you in the next video. Till then,